Dear students, we are currently in the 24th session of Monetary Economics of 3rd semester BA of Mangalore University, and the topic of this session is Weighted Price Index Number. In the last session, we studied the meaning and computation of simple price index number. In the present session, we are going to discuss the meaning and the construction of weighted price index number. In the last session, we studied that the simple price index number gives equal weightage to all the commodities. That is why simple price index number does not represent price changes accurately. This defect or limitation of the simple price index number can be removed by going in for a weighted price index number. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ವಿವಿಧ ಸರಕುಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ತೂಕ ನೀಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸರಳ ಸೂಚ್ಯಾಂಕ ಸಿಗುತ್ತದೆ. ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾದ ತೂಕ ನೀಡಿದರೆ ತೂಕ ನೀಡಿದ ಸೂಚ್ಯಾಂಕ ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ದೊರೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ತೂಕವನ್ನು ಸರಕುಗಳ ತುಲನಾತ್ಮಕ ಮಹತ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. What is a weighted price index number? Index numbers prepared by giving weights to goods and services according to their relative importance are known as weighted price index numbers. If people spend a major portion of their income on a particular commodity, then that commodity is given greater weight in the index number. On the other hand, if the commodity in question claims only a small proportion of the consumer's income, it is given a smaller weight in the index number. Thus, different commodities are given different weights in accordance with the expenditure incurred on them. The weights assigned to different commodities are determined by two factors. First one, importance of the commodity. If a commodity is widely used in day-to-day life, then it is given more weightage. If it is a less used commodity, then it is given low weightage. Second factor is proportion of income spent on that commodity. If a consumer spends a major portion of his income on such commodity, then that commodity is given more weight. If he spends lesser part of his income on that commodity, then it is given lesser weight. ಸರಕುಗಳ ತೂಕವನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಅಂಶಗಳು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇದು ಸರಕುಗಳ ಮಹತ್ವ. ಸರಕುಗಳ ಮಹತ್ವ ಅಥವಾ ಉಪಯೋಗ ತೂಕ ನೀಡಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹತ್ತರವಾದ ಪಾತ್ರ ವಹಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ನಿತ್ಯ ಬಳಕೆಯ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ ಸರಕುಗಳ ತೂಕ ಅಧಿಕವಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಐಷಾರಾಮಿ ವಿಲಾಸಿ ಸರಕುಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ತೂಕ ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ಅಂಶ ಆದಾಯದ ಬಳಕೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಸರಕುಗಳಿಗೆ ಜನರ ಆದಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಭಾಗ ಬಳಕೆಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಂತಹ ಸರಕುಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಧಿಕ ತೂಕ ನೀಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಜನರ ಆದಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಳಕೆಯಾಗುವ ವಸ್ತುವಿಗೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ತೂಕ ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. The table shows us the process of computation of weighted price index number. Here the prices mentioned are purely imaginary. In this table, weights have been assigned to different commodities according to their respective importance. Here, weights assigned to rice, sugar, cloth, kerosene are 3, 2, 1 and 2 respectively. These weights indicate the relative importance of these commodities in the consumer's budget. According to the above weighted price index number, the value of money has fallen in 2013 because the price level has risen from 100 in base year 2003 to 175 in 2013. The price level has risen by 75 points. ಸಾರ್ವತ್ರಿಕ ಬೆಲೆಯ ಮಟ್ಟವು 2003ರಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಇದ್ದು 2013ರಲ್ಲಿ 175ಕ್ಕೆ ಏರಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಲೆಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿವೆ ಎಂದರ್ಥ. ತೂಕ ನೀಡಿದ ಸೂಚ್ಯಾಂಕವು ಸರಳ ಸೂಚ್ಯಾಂಕಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ನಿಖರವಾಗಿರುವುದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನಿಸಬಹುದು. Students, we can say that weighted price index number are more accurate than simple index number. But the problem lies in assignment of weights to different commodities. There is no scientific basis for assigning weights to different goods and services in the weighted index number. Weights are generally assigned to goods and services in a highly arbitrary fashion. The index numbers do not truly represent the changes in the value of money. ತೂಕ ನೀಡಿದ ಸೂಚ್ಯಾಂಕದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಮಿತಿ ಎಂದರೆ ತೂಕ ನೀಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ನಿಯಮಗಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೇವಲ ಅಂದಾಜಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ತೂಕವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ವಿವಿಧ ಸರಕುಗಳಿಗೆ ನೀಡುವ ತೂಕವು ಕಾಲದಿಂದ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಹೊಂದುತ್ತದೆ. So dear students, in this session we have learnt about the meaning of weighted price index number, the difference between simple price index number and the weighted price index number, and the computation and the limitation of weighted price index number. That's all for this session. Thank you.